everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another one. Today, hopefully as by the title and thumbnail go, we got I'm getting all confused already. Anyway, what we're doing today is I am meeting Tristan at the dairy and I'm hoping to do some sort of challenge. In my mind, we're doing a 5-shot. Hold on. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, planning on doing, hoping to do a challenge of some sort. I'm thinking it'll probably be a 5 or 10 shot, just because I'm on a little bit limited time schedule. I've got a kid's birthday party I'm supposed to be at. Actually, it's a couple of my nieces' combined birthday party, but you guys really don't care about that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rolling here. While we're getting all set up, you guys are gonna go ahead and watch some stuff that I filmed in the last couple days. So what you'll be getting into is, I don't know, I might take it to an auction that I went to. It's really kind of boring. I might throw a little bit of that content in there. Just see if you guys like auction content, whether it's small animal sale, animal stuff, if it's like garage sale type, if it's consignment sale like this last one. You guys gotta let me know though, because I mean I can do those. It's just if you guys hate it, then I don't want to do that. So, but the main thing that I wanted to show you guys is I did get my metal detector. It's actually with me, but I did a little bit of searching, found some stuff in my yard that I was not expecting and still have no idea why it would be there. Anyway, there's a little bit of metal detecting footage. I'll let you guys see that. If you don't want to see any of that, then just skip ahead to this and we'll get into the challenge. So yeah, let's go shoot some birds or find some stuff and then shoot some birds. Today, I got something in the mail. Got myself a metal detector. I'm pretty excited. Wore high black socks and Crocs. You know, fit the occasion. I gotta do some stuff this afternoon, but I thought I'm just gonna go through my front yard. We'll see if we can find something out there. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I feel like it. So hope you guys enjoy whatever I find in my front yard. Here we go. Oh, what? I don't know. It says it's 8 inches deep. Okay, I finally broke it loose. What is it? Is it literally just a big old chunk of iron? It looks just like a folded up chunk of iron. I dug a hole in the yard for that. Yeah, big though. Okay. Well, it's usually the biggest thing I found. I found a washer earlier today when I was playing around with it, trying to figure out the machine. I better put the dirt back in the hole, otherwise wife's gonna be disgruntled. We'll go with disgruntled. I dropped it on the sidewalk here. Looks like it's just a folded up chunk of tin. Super exciting. Hopefully we find something better than that. All right, I'm trying to block the wind. I bought something. I really didn't want everything inside of it, but I thought there'd be some deals here. I paid $17.50 with my new trapping bucket. I put all my lures on the outside, put everything inside, put my bags. Yeah, I think it'll work out. Probably paid more than what I should have, but I mean, what else we got in here? That's gnarly. There's an old machete. See, good pry bar. Whoa. New pry bar set. A couple more old machete type things, couple dowel rods. You know, nothing fancy, but I don't know. You guys tell me, was that a decent deal? I need to know. Did I spend too much? Ooh, we got some rain. Last couple days it's rained. Rained a little bit this morning. It's just not fun out here. But the sun is shining. It's nice. Hopefully we'll get some birds down. Okay, so obviously here at the dairy with Tristan. Yep. So we were talking a little bit. There's not as many birds flying around right now as what would be ideal. So we're gonna do a 5-shot challenge. We're probably gonna be alternating shots, maybe cleaning up after each other. I don't know. We'll see how it all goes. There might be some different strategies involved. But what we're gonna do, 5 shells, whoever gets the most birds down wins. Seems pretty simple, right? I hope so. Anyway, what are you shooting?
Benelli Monofeltro.
Monofeltro in 12 gauge. Yeah, and show-wise, I have these with me. Yeah, just good old-fashioned Federal light loads. And the one big difference between Tristan and my guns, and one thing that we always give each other crap for, is a choke. He's a pattern master guy. You guys know 90% of the time I run Carlson. Does it make a difference? Probably not, but it's more fun to pretend like it does. So anyway, we're gonna load up, we're gonna get out there, we're gonna see if we can shoot some starlings. Well, we are rolling here. I will be running a shot cam. Been thinking about getting two, or I should say getting another one. The main reason I've been thinking about it is if you guys like these challenge type videos, I think it'd be interesting to have another shot cam on whoever I'm playing against gun, or whoever's playing gun. I think that would be a whole lot more interesting instead of just my side. So if you guys really like the challenge side, I might bite the bullet and just get another one if you guys want to see that type of content. So you guys know what to do. You gotta get down there. Ugh, I cannot speak today. You guys need to get down there and tell me what you guys want. Huh, that was different. It split like the sea there all of a sudden. I mean, the pattern masters pointed at him the whole time. As soon as the Carlson turned around, they just went, whew. That was weird.
The pattern master was pointing up.
Oh, I see. Is it kind of tall, but do you like any of them?
Kind of like that one, but I'm not going to try it.
Why not?
I'm wanting a better one.
You don't want to lose? I mean, I don't want to lose either, but I'm about ready to just take the next one that comes by. Too nice of a day not to pull the trigger. Whoa. That was a hard shot though. 30 yards going away like that, that'd have been rough. We'll get a shot here sooner or later though. Coming in hot. Oh, they made me look bad. I went this way and he went that way. Now it's Tristan's turn. He needs to miss badly. Will anything come within range?
Well, the pattern master, that's in range.
Well, why didn't you shoot then? Might have to move up to the bales. Well, let's see what these do. Woo! I mean, shucks. Straight up. Shoot him. Nice! There you go. He's got 3 shots left. I've got 4, but he's got a bird. That counts for a whole lot more. 1 in the hand really does count for more than 2 in the bush right now. Oh no.
Send it.
Man, that's a little high, and there's a few blackbirds in there. Oof. That makes me feel a little better. At least we both missed the same bird. But again, he still has one and I don't, so still winning. Should probably put another shell in. I've shot twice, so I can do all 3 shells are in now. Whew.
That pigeon's coming.
Pigeon? Pigeon. Bigger target, but you have to clean it.
Is there a point system to this?
Oh, here he is. There's a bird you killed. All one bird ahead of me. Oh, want to go past? No? Okay.
I've seen him in the sun.
So, we gotta look like idiots out here. But it's fun. Oh! I'm glad he made that turn. I really didn't want to shoot that anyway.
Oh, I wanted to. Shh.
I gotta hit both my next ones. You need to miss the rest. Otherwise, I'm just done with this.
Hey, I took the one on.
So that's it for the show, guys. We had a camera malfunction and we have no idea what happened at all. I'm getting schooled out here. I don't like it. Let's see if we can find this thing. Oh boy, skiing. I thought he'd drop a little bit further out here, but we'll find him probably.
Yeah, he got some birds coming.
Or it could just be it's a piece of trash. Well, shoot, I thought I found him. We struggling. And it's more than just my shooting. We can't find that bird. There's a pigeon, fifth set of beams in.
Oh, I got you.
There he goes. See you, bud.
They just got away.
Nope. Oh, I should have. No, that's a cowbird. Good thing I didn't shoot that one. Come on, float on in here. Oh no! Well, I officially lose. Will I hit anything? Maybe. Probably not, but maybe. Well, we both have one shell left. He's got 2 birds down. I have the classic easiest number to count to, which is 0. What's he gonna do though? He's just chilling. He knows like the only way he's gonna die is if he flies this way. He almost flew that way. Man, once I get the 17 lined, bang. And the 17 is getting lined. I was struggling with the scope and stuff, so I gave it to a buddy of mine to line for me because he has a lot more experience with it. Should be getting it back here anytime. So those sniper videos are coming. They're coming. You want to shoot him out of the tree? Oh, probably not. You can take an easy 3rd one there. I mean, it's all for the good of the dairy. Oh, I thought he was gonna get away from you.
He's still alive.
There you go. Tristan is 3 for 5. I am 0 for 4. One more to go. Hopefully something comes quick. Well, Tristan's running that bird down that he shot. Saw these guys working around here. Maybe they'll give me an opportunity. Huh? Calm down, ladies. Jeez. Speed racer. What's your issue? Ooh, birds? Thanks for letting me know. Those are blackbirds. Don't shoot them. Make a pass close, buddy. You're probably safe with me shooting, but you know. Had to. Too easy a shot, but I had to. Oh. Okay. Well, I'll go get my one bird. The easiest bird of any of them that we shot. I got one. Well, here he is. My one bit of success. You beat me this time. Yeah. I'm thinking we're gonna have a rematch. If that's something you guys want to see, because it's gonna happen whether it's on camera or not. If you guys want to see it though, you guys gotta get down there. Tell me what you guys want to see. There's all sorts of little fun challenges we could do out here. One thing I really want to do again though was the roulette wheel challenge. For you guys that didn't know what that, for you guys that don't know what that is, put a bunch of different guns on a roulette wheel. That's which gun we got to use. You get 3 shots, I think is what I did last time. You know, see who can score the best. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go walk around, or at least I'm going to, because I need some redemption. So there might be some shot cam footage after this of me either also embarrassing myself more or maybe doing a little bit better. But I'll talk to you guys here at the end in a little bit. So I didn't pick up the camera right away after leaving the dairy like I thought I was going to, so I'm doing it here at home. But there's really nothing else to say other than I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys want to subscribe and see what's going on here at the channel in the future, I'd appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next one.